Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin vivofit Junior 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Garmin Junior application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's find the icon right here. Once you open the Garmin Junior application, select the profile with which the watch is connected. Then tap on the settings. Scroll down, tap on the pairing option, and here tap on unpair this device and tap on unpair. You will see the message device is no longer paired. You can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth, and you should see vivofit Junior 3 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget device, and tap on forget device to remove it. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.